Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In the triangle, in the Plaza de Triangle, finally got it right. Got the new artwork as well. I have showed you these before, and yeah, they're quite confusing. From what I've read, apparently they're about winemaking. And in Benidorm, will you see artwork about winemaking? Then again, alcoholics paradise. Now, of course, the main attraction of the Plaza de Triangular is the huge tree. Now, I'm gonna ask you something here, guys. Do you remember when the Plaza Triangular went like this? It was actually a sort of big path leading up into town. God, that's going back about 5 years, 10 years even. I can't even remember. Yeah, they still had the tree in the middle, but you had sort of one pathway cutting off, so that way, then we're not going up into town. Just sort of one big paved area, weren't really flat. Christmas as well. I remember somewhere around here they had like a 4D cinema, which I mean was scary as hell. Like, it's funny how I can't remember much else, isn't it, guys? But I can sort of remember like little bits and bobs about stuff. Couldn't remember anything I learnt in maths, but ask me about like an old holiday I've been on and I'll be able to tell you stuff about it. Of course, you do have the fountain there as well. Metal tin can, which I mean, I honestly still don't know why they built that. Complete waste of time. Of course, as well, food-wise, McDonald's, Mackie D's in corner. You got kebab shop there, Robin Hood, ice cream shop, Starbucks back there, nice little Spanish restaurant. There's good to see as well. Then, of course, Popeyes just over there, and KFC. Question is, why build the Popeyes when it got a KFC? I mean, from what I've seen, Popeyes is just a sort of fancier, upper class version of KFC, ain't it? I mean, both do chicken. I don't know, guys. Someone please explain the logic of Popeyes to me. Of course, as well, hotel-wise, you got the Hotel Madeira, Madeira Centro, just there. Absolutely beautiful hotel. Then, of course, if you keep heading sort of straight forward from town, you will eventually come up on the main shopping strip here in Benidorm, Avenida Mediterranean. As well, you do have our hop ready for Halloween. Um, Headbands for your way, some sort of felt fabricy masks for your way. Not bad if you come on holiday with your kids and maybe they want to try a bit of trick-or-treating. Not too expensive, cheap mask or something. Like popping money, chinky shops and buying like a cute little Halloween bucket or something. Then they can maybe just go around the hotel bar trick-or-treating or something. Or maybe the hotel you're in will actually do a Halloween party. I have heard that before. Think the Princessa? Is it Princessa that Top Notch stayed at last year? Yeah. Princessa, they do a Halloween party apparently. Of course, probably just for the kids, like probably do some games, bit of dancing, give them some sweets as well. God, wish I were a kid again now. I actually missed going trick-or-treating, weirdly enough. Used to be ideal, get sweets, or with any luck, the house that didn't have sweets would just like, casually give you 50p or a quid or something. Do of course have the seafront just down there. Dondino's as well. Suppose they ain't actually got the Halloween gear in yet. Probably clean some room off there just to put their costumes in there. Anyway, as I was saying, of course, go trick-or-treating, might get like some large bags of Haribos, maybe couple euro, couple quid. And of course, if you're lucky, you may hit the jackpot and get a house that gives you like big, huge bag of Haribos or Maltesers. And of course, as a kid, you probably get home, and as soon as you get in, what you do, eat all your sweets. Like you probably, bit like me, go out on 30th, trick-or-treating, don't buy end of the night. All my sweets are gone. Anyway, if you are a bit bored on Halloween, on the 28th, I will be doing a Halloween live stream. 8 p.m. Spanish time, 7 p.m. English time. Think we will be getting dressed up. I know I am. Not sure about Mark and Sue. Then again, Mike don't really need to get dressed up, does he? Already quite scary, ain't he, guys? But anyway, as I was saying, come and join in on the fun. Come say hi. don't forget as well, I do have my super thanks, which is a sort of way of giving me a little summit while filming. Does help a lot. It does sort of go on to what I've earned on my AdSense. So hopefully if you give me a super thanks, now it will go on to this month's AdSense, hopefully. And hopefully it'll rise me AdSense, because competition, who can earn the most, me or Benidorm at Mike? Hopefully me. Anyway guys, smash that like and smash the subscribe, and I hope to see you all very soon, and I hope to see you all on my spectacular Halloween special.